Good morning, student. Under the same series of Adobe Photoshop CC, the topic which we're going to cover is about creating new files, opening, closing, saving a file in Photoshop CC. So here in this video, we're going to see that how we able to create a file. If we are having any existing file, so how we can able to open it, how to close the file, and how to save it. So let's proceed with the video. So for that we have to click on file menu and I have to select new. Then this window will open from where we can create a new, or if we are having any existing one, we can open that. So just click on create new. You'll find this dialog window of new document. There you can find number of templates over there, that is Adobe stock across several categories, and it includes photos, print, then art and illustrations, web, mobiles, film and video. So if we just click on photos, so now you can see these are presets, that is predefined landscapes, 2 by 3 size, 4 by 6, 5 by 7. If we talk about art and illustration, there you can find out portrait size of 18 by 24, 4 by 6, all these. So here we have to create a new, so we are selecting recent over here, and now you can see here the default Photoshop size is 7 by 5. So if we want to change it, like a width and its height, we can change it from here. Its resolution, if we want to change the color mode of it, we can able to change that. Even if we want to change the background color, by default it's white, but we can able to change it. We just have to click on the color and can select any of the color from the color panel. Now here we have selected red. Just have to click on create button over here, and now you can find our new document open with a red canvas. After that, we're going to see here that how we can able to insert the images on our canvas. So we have to click on file, and from there we have to select the option place embedded. That will navigate you to the picture library from where we have to import the images. So any of the from the picture library, just click on any of the image you want to import. Just click it on and select and click on place. After selecting the picture or image, click on place. That image will be imported on our canvas. Now here you can see this picture, we can able to see the diagonals over here, and we can easily move it anywhere we want to place it. We can resize and we can shrink it. If we want to rotate, we can easily rotate it. So these are the things. Finally, when we find that the suitable place for that, then we can just place it over there. Now we can find one more layer is being added to our layer panel. If we are not finding the layer panel, we simply click on Windows, and from there we can able to select. Here the layer is already ticked, that means the layer panel is present in our panels. So after selecting that, we want to save it. For that, we just have to click on file and click on save. This Adobe Photoshop window will open. Place the file before saving, so we have to click on place, and then this picture library, the save as dialog box will open to where we have to save our file. The location will be opened. We just have to give a relevant name to our file and have to click on save. After clicking on save, now our file will be saved with the name Photoshop 1.psd, that is Photoshop document. Now if we want to close this, so simply have to click on file and have to select the option close. The shortcut key for the same is Ctrl+W. Then if we click on open, we can find the same file in our document there on the same location where we have saved, and from there you can easily open that. Now if we talk about few of the selection tools, so the first selection tool is a rectangular marquee tool. So if we click on that, the relevant options will displayed in the option bar. Now if we have selected any other, you can see the relevant related option will display there. So here we have selected the rectangular marquee tool, as if we want to select a rectangular area in our image. So just click on the rectangular tool and click on the rectangular portion which we want to select in our image. And after selecting, you will notice a dash border has covered the selected object. You can find this moving border, that is mark you on the image, the portion which we have selected. After that, you have to right click on the image layer and select the rasterize layer. Just have to click uh, on the layer panel where the image is, right click on that and just select the option rasterize layer and just press the delete key. Now you can notice that the selected part of the image has been deleted.